hailstorm can cause several degrees of destruction to your property. The most obvious and most inconvenient is damage to your roof. Since we can't see the surface of the roof from the ground, it's difficult to assess the damage. Even if you climbed up there, it would still take a trained eye to determine what is a hail impact and to what degree it damaged the roof. This is why you need a trusted expert, like A.J. Wells Roofing and Construction, to inspect the roof and evaluate damage. Once at the location, Arthur and his expert team will access the roof and perform a thorough inspection. The inspection consists of marking a 10-foot by 10-foot area on different slopes of the roof. This 100 square foot area is the test square. Within this random test square, they evaluate where hail impacted the shingles, causing marring, bruising, indentations, and dislodging of granules. What they're looking for is an average matrix of 5 to 8 hail impacts per test square. Once this is determined to be viable and legitimate hail damage, they use the 25% rule to determine repair or replacement of the roof. If more than 25% of your roof was damaged by hail based on Florida's building code, the roof would have to be replaced and not repaired. Also, watch out for storm chasers. The way the scam works is the storm chasers will blanket an area hit by hail or wind damage and look for unsuspecting homeowners in need of roof repairs. They'll pass out information stating free roof or no cost to you roof. This is illegal. They might even show up unannounced, offering you a free roof inspection. They'll put a poorly constructed roof on your home and you'll be stuck replacing it after 2 to 3 years. Remember, hail damage can cut the lifespan of your roof by over half, and you wouldn't even know it if you didn't have an inspection. For a free roof inspection, call A.J. Wells Roofing and Construction at 904-553-0069.